Hello everyone, it's the boy Tim back again. So for some months now, I've not been posting about AdSense, or I've not been showing you guys my dashboard and all that. So a lot of people have been asking me, is it that AdSense Arbitrage doesn't work again, or is it that my method doesn't work again, or what is actually going on? Well, the truth is that we've been printing dollars and pounds all this while, but because of some reasons, I've decided not to be posting or showing my dashboard on this channel. But notwithstanding, I think there is no need talking about it without showing my dashboard or showing you guys a proof of myself making money, because it will seem like I'm bluffing and nothing is actually working. So I decided to take up a new challenge. So I wanted to start with a fresh account, or rather I want to work with a fresh account, show you guys how to move from the very low point to the point where I start making good figures with that account. So I contacted my vendor guy on WhatsApp, and I was able to purchase a new site. Actually, I have my sites. Okay, let me just show you guys what I have here on my laptop. Okay, so great. So this dashboard is actually okay. What I do now is that I partner with a lot of people that I can trust, and people that will be able to agree to my terms and conditions. Okay, so right here, I think today is the 10th of December. All right, so this account I've printed about $2,100. Let me refresh so that you guys can see that everything on this account is actually real and not some fake screenshot or screen recording. And today we've printed about $2, and my CPC is really low. But trust me, everything is gonna come up. And this is about this is $2.1, and everything is $2.1K dollars. Okay, and this account has not received a very high amount, so that's why I don't really want to go all in. And let's go to the last 28 days of this account. Okay, so we've gotten about 10,000 clicks, and the CTR is still on check. So this account gets a very good organic traffic. So this is one. Okay, let me show you guys another one. Okay, this account I worked with it last month, and it got limited because it wasn't getting organic traffic, so I stopped working on it. Okay, but I think I printed 1.2K, and lots of other accounts. I don't want to really show you guys all, but this is just a quick proof that everything still works, and we still keep doing the most with AdSense. Just that because of the stuff, probably security, and I don't know, I just stopped posting, and I've been focusing more on myself and other stuff, right? So because of that, I've not really been consistent on this channel, and I have other channels that I make videos on. And also with time, I'm also going to show you guys how you can print the most with YouTube channel. So make sure you stick around, and also please, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Right, if you have any blogging issues or question, message me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to try as much as possible to attend to you. So like I said, I contacted my vendor guy, and I was able to purchase a new site. Right, so this is actually the site. Okay, this is the AdSense account, and you can see that everything on this account is fresh, 0.000 pounds. And in case you need a new fresh account or approved account with site, right, just the way you are seeing it here on my screen, you can contact me. I have a surest plug that I can deliver without any problem. So this account is actually new, and it has not made any money at all. The site is intact, and I started working on the site here. Okay, I started working on it. I want to build it from scratch to start arbitrage on it, and I'm going to be updating you guys from time to time. So I want to be open to you guys like I've always been, and you guys are seeing everything on the screen right now. Everything is still at 0.000. I don't want to review the domain, but I'm going to just review the ending part of the domain so that you guys can see that it's still the site that I'm working on, and the sites I'm continuing as well. So let's go to sites. So you guys can see games at the end of the name. Games at the end of the name. I don't want to review the beginning part so that people will not go and copy my content and all, but you can see games at the beginning of it. So I'm going to keep updating you guys with this same site, games, and take note of the dashboard. Everything is still at 0.000. Okay, I just got it, and I want to install a new WordPress on my own server and move everything to my own end, and then start working on it. Okay, I decided to take up this challenge because a lot of people have been they've been working, and probably Google is limiting, Google is banning the account. Of course, Google does all of those, but there are ways you can actually navigate and scale through. All right, me too, I face those challenges. I'm not saying that I'm a perfect guru that is doing it all alone or trying to pull out the figures on my own. I pay higher guys to learn from them as well. If you're closer to me, you know that I'm a chronic learner. I pay a lot on courses, and I learn a lot almost every day. So I keep learning every day. I keep applying them on my own end, and by God's grace, everything seems to be working out. Okay, so I'm going to work on this, like I said, and I'm going to be dropping like a weekly update, or probably, I don't know, I'm going to be dropping updates on this channel for this account. Then I'm going to be talking more about YouTube these days, because YouTube is also doing well, right? So this is just me kickstarting a series that's going to run for months, probably, as long as this account exists. All right, so with that being said, I think I want to see you guys in the next video. Please, if you're new here, consider liking this video and consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please stay safe and Merry Christmas.